Hello everyone. Welcome back to our daily issue analysis. Welcome back to Dia Prelims. Hope you all are safe. You must have enjoyed your week properly. You must have revised all the concepts properly. And we expect that you must have finished all the targets of this month because now we are in new month. We are starting we have stepped in October. So plan बनाओ, अच्छे से implement करो. Then only we can think about a comprehensive preparation of mains or prelims. ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर केवल एक प्रिपरेशन होती है, या तो मेंस की होती है या तो प्रीलिम्स की होती है. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे आर बिजी विद प्रीलिम्स प्रिपरेशन, बट बैलेंस करना है, ऑप्शनल फिनिश करना है. चलो, नाउ वी हैव गैदर्ड टुडे टू डिस्कस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट विच वाज इन न्यूज, एंड दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट रिलेटेड टू L69. सो पता है, कहीं सुना है, व्हाट इज L69? L.69. ये इमेज देख के कुछ तो लग रहा होगा, समथिंग रिलेटेड टू international relation. So what is it? We will have a look. But as usual, first we will see a question, and then I would like all of you to take a stand, share your answers in the comment section, and then we will discuss it in detail. So the question is, L69, which was in news, it is what? It is a group of developing countries united for comprehensive, lasting United Nations Security Council reforms, UNSC reforms, and international collaboration to fight lumpy skin disease. न्यूज में था. C, a group of developed and developing countries for vaccine cooperation to avoid future COVID pandemic like situation. Or D, a new platform for information sharing at international level for cyber security. सारे ऑप्शन इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन से रिलेटेड हैं. ऑल आर प्रेसिंग इश्यूज, किसी से भी रिलेटेड हो सकता है. सो वी विल ट्राई टू सी द आंसर with the help of the discussion. So first we will try to understand that why it was in news. It was in news because our External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar ji has gone on a trip, has started his trip for USA, United States. And we know that Jaishankar leaves for US today to attend Quad BRICS Summit. So Quad and BRICS Summit is not the main agenda. He is there to attend the United Nations General Assembly 77th meeting is being organized, is being conducted. So that is happening. वहाँ जा रहे हैं और sidelines पे सबसे मिलेंगे. Foreign Minister of BRICS, Foreign Ministers of Quad. So there he is going to meet everybody. And his schedule is very packed. सारे IBSA के मेंबर से मिलना है. G20 की नेक्स्ट ईयर इंडिया लीडरशिप ले रहा है, प्रेसिडेंटशिप ले रहा है, उन वहाँ की कंट्रीज के फॉरेन मिनिस्टर से मिलना है. सो इन दैट आर्टिकल इटसेल्फ, इट इज अ न्यूज लाइक जस्ट 1 or 2 days ओल्ड. तो उस न्यूज आर्टिकल में दिस वाज मेंशन that he will also meet G4 comprising India, Brazil, Japan, Germany. He is also going to meet the ministerial meeting will be of these members from these countries. And in the same article it was written that also he will participate in high level meeting of L.69. L.69 is a group on reinvigorating multilateralism and achieving comprehensive reform of the United Nations Security Council. So now you know the answer, right? But हमने इससे पहले कभी सुना ही नहीं था. What is L69? अगर यूपीएससी में आ जाएगा then we will be clueless. ये L69 है क्या? And then the chances are high that we will end up marking it wrong. Okay, so what is L69? It is a group which consists of developing countries from Asia, Africa, Latin America, Caribbean, and small island developing states. Focused on what? Focused on the reforms of the United Nations Security Council. So now you know the agenda, you know the countries. So this is about L69. But as we are discussing that they are related to, or they are going to, or their agenda is with respect to UNSC reform. So UNSC reform से related जो भी aspects हैं हमें पता होने चाहिए. From mains point of view we discuss in detail that why do we need UNSC reform, India को क्यों चाहिए, why it is important, what is the projection, and how it is possible, why developed countries are opposing it. There is a group which is opposing it, so वो भी पता होना चाहिए. So we should know the complete analysis. From prelims point of view, we should know with respect to UNSC reform about G4 countries. G4 countries, they are pressing, they want UNSC reform. They want to be member of that United Nations Security Council. So we have Brazil, India, Germany and Japan. Easy way to remember is BIG, Big Japan. Big Japan. वैसे याद हो जाएगा, कोई बड़ी डील नहीं है. Then we have another group of countries, L.69 group. It is a focused group. It is a group of countries focused on reforms of the UNSC. So ये दोनों pro UNSC reforms हैं. So this group is focusing on permanent members का inclusion and non-permanent members का also expansion of the UNSC seats to permanent and non-permanent members. So that जो भी अभी reality है, the social reality, the world reality, according to the economic capability, that should be reflected. And to make the whole UNSC more transparent, accountable, because ultimately if we are talking about United Nations is a group of countries जहाँ democratic तरीके से decision लिया जाता है, so why not in UNSC Council? Why they are still like in the hands of few countries itself? Okay, but there is another group. The name of that group is Uniting for Consensus, UFC. Informally, it is also called as Coffee Club. And it is led by Italy. It was formed in 1995. Pakistan, Mexico, Italy, they are part of this. So, in countries का agenda क्या है? In countries का agenda है, so these are group of 40 countries and they are opposing such kind of reforms. They are opposing G4. They are saying, first we need to have consensus. अरे कंसेंसस बनाने के लिए पहले सबको अग्री तो करना पड़ेगा, कोई अग्री ही नहीं होगा तो कंसेंसस कभी बनेगा ही नहीं. अगेन एवरी टाइम इट विल बी अ डेडलॉक सिचुएशन, राइट? सो these are the countries which are pro and against which are opposing the UNSC reform. This you should know. And when we are talking about L69, then what else we should know? So L69 we have seen already that it is a group of developing countries which is this group is the representation of cross-regional grouping of 42 developing countries. 42 developing countries from Africa, Latin America, Caribbean, Asia and Pacific. So ये L69 क्या है? अभी तक तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि 69 countries होंगी. अगर एग्जाम में आता that it is a group of 69 countries, hesitate भी नहीं करते और मार कर देते. But what is this 69? Why it is so significant? So basically, this time when our Honorable External Affairs Minister is going to meet with the ministers from L69 countries, so it will be 15th anniversary of the formation of this L69. So हुआ क्या? What is the history? So before that we will see what is the purpose. The purpose is to make the whole UNSC or United Nations का जो भी way of functioning है, to make it more accountable, representative, transparent, and more importantly relevant, reflecting today's need of today's world. Relevant Security Council. आज इंडिया की कैपेबिलिटी डिफरेंट है, ब्राजील की कैपेबिलिटी डिफरेंट है. So according to the capabilities, according to whatever is relevant, that kind of representation should be reflected in UNSC. Now coming to the L69. What is it? So this derives its name from the draft document, and the number of that draft document was L.69. That group had tabled in 2007 and 8, 15 years back, which led to the initiation of this intergovernmental negotiation IGN process for such pro-reform ideas, discussions, debate, groupings, support. So it is group of 42 countries at present, and L69 उस document का number है. So don't mark it wrong, at least now you have clarity. And UPSC has been focusing on science and tech, environmental relation, concepts related to environment, international relations. ये सब favorite areas है. So we have to be alert. Technology especially, they have been asking, right? So this is it with respect to L.69. Hope you enjoyed the discussion. This was the last video of this week, and tomorrow being Sunday, you please take good rest, revise well. We will meet on Monday with our Monday motivation. If there are any suggestions and if you are struggling with any issue, कोई भी problem है, कोई issue है जिस पे आप चाहते हैं कि हम लोग उस पे बात करें, or if you want or you are seeking for some solution, then we will definitely help you all. So if there is any idea you want us to cover any topic, we will cover it. Okay, and enjoy, take rest, but yeah, संडे को पूरा वेस्ट नहीं करना है, रिवाइज करना है, इवनिंग में एंजॉय करना है. ओके, सो टेक केयर गाइज, बी सेफ एंड रिवाइज वेरी वेल. This is it for L69, and with this we end today's video. Thank you so much. Yeah, before thank you, we didn't discuss the answer. So what is the answer? The answer now you know already. It is a group of developing countries united for lasting UNSC reform. So this is our answer. ठीक है, अगर नहीं भी बताता तो आप लोगों को पता ही था. But still, now you know the answer. And thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. Revise it well. It will be there with you till your prelims. Okay. Take care guys. Bye bye. See you.